found somebody that treats you better than I can. You tell me he could do things for you that I can't. So now I'm caught up, stuck up in the middle, cause I know that I'ma miss you, but you better off without me. You found somebody that treats you better than I can. You tell me he could do things for you that I can't. So now I'm caught up, stuck up in the middle, cause I feel like you the issue. I won't blame you though, cause I can't. I'm sorry that I ain't do what I said I do. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm missing you, girl. I'm sorry I couldn't do what you want me to. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm with a new girl.
Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden back at again with another video. So right now with my cousin Justin, and a lot of you guys have been asking me what are the things I hate about my Sportivo. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing that annoys me about this car is that little airbag light. And ever since the recall got done for the passenger airbag from Toyota, the airbag light has came on. So that's one of the things that annoys me about this car. So one obvious issue about these Sportivos is the gearbox. So it's always one thing I gotta be careful about when I drive this thing is not to blow the gearbox. So having that in the back of my mind always bugs me. It's not one of the most spacious cars, so if you're constantly carrying passengers at the back, then this isn't the car for you. Alright, next. This isn't really a thing that I hate, but it's something I need to fix. The side skirts on both sides are scraped, so that's something I need to fix, because that's kind of ugly. Coming around to the front end of the car, these headlights, what are those?
Cloudy as.
They're cloudy as, kind of yellow looking now, and I actually restored these not too long ago. We got rock chips on the bonnet, and these would have been hidden if I kept that bonnet protector on, but I'm looking to get a clear bonnet protector, so I sold that to my mate Deji. So these rock chips are starting to rust, so it's actually looking so ugly. The clips on the front bar's broken, so the bumper hangs off, and there's a massive scrape and it's been repaired with spray paint, so all this stuff I just need to fix. Don't get me started with the seats. These rips are getting bad. That's what the Australian heat does to these seats though. Under the bonnet. So I've actually taken care of the motor. It's not doing too bad for 250 Ks. Like the engine mounts are still good, but I actually replaced the rocker cover when I first bought the car, and it's already starting to leak. So I might need to get an OEM one. This might come off a bit racist, but one thing that annoys me about this car sometimes is the fact that it's white. I could wash this 3 times a week, and it would still somehow be dirty. I only washed this the other day, and look at this dirt. So this color is definitely hard to keep clean compared to my other Sportivos. Alright boys, that's a few things that I hate about this Sportivo, but I guess with every car there's a few features and issues that you can always find annoying, so not every car's perfect. But anyways, right now me and Justin are gonna go pick up my other 2 cousins because we're about to get some Fat Franks, so I'll see you guys there. We made it to Fat Franks. Ben Simmons! Oh. Are you excited for your cheesesteak?
I've never tried Fat Franks before.
What about you, Justin? Oof. The cheesesteak. Alright, Justin's turn to try the cheesesteak. Good. Is it good, Logan? Thanks, bro. Deep fried Oreos. Logan's excited to try this. Who's gonna try the first one? Get a bit of ice cream.
Oh, that's butter. Alright. It's just cut in half.
Yeah, cut it in half first, and then give half to Logan. Wait, get some ice cream.
Get some ice cream. Okay, alright, Oreo. Okay, ready? Aha! So good.
So good.
Oh!
Justin, I needed some assistance.
This is my assistant. Okay, here we go.
It's so good, bro.
And now we're so full. Alright boys, let's go. Back in the White 03. Logan, what are your thoughts of Fat Franks?
Very good.
But where to now is the real question. Yo, Nick!
What's up?
What's up, bro? Daryl!
How's it going, Jaden?
What up, Jody?
What's up, homie?
Yo, Flynn!
Jaden.
This is a mellow beat.
Hours later.
Alright boys, a few hours have passed. Justin's actually sleeping over because we're going on a fishing trip tomorrow. So let's see if we can get some kills on Siege real quick.
10 seconds.
Oh, whoa!
5 seconds
I
to
don't know if we
insertion.
can put that on YouTube.
What the?
Look away, Justin. Look away. Just gotta quickly rush him and get a mad kill. I might die in the process though. No! I shot him, broke. Yes! How do you like being dead, fool? I'm different.
Shoot him, okay? Just aim for his head. Let's go, fool!
Let's go. How do you like being dead, my man?
Let's go, fool! Alright, you can rush this one because it's only that close and that's yours.
Oh,
Top
let's
4 eliminated.
2 kills up
This
here.
man's insane.
I ain't playing.
We're playing games. That's like nice shots.
Alright, my man Legion, the Asian man. That's my operator right there. I see you. I see you, my friend. I see you too. And I see you. And I see you as well, buddy. Oh no, boys, it's a 3v5.
Swapping mags!
Yes, sir. No! I just got X'd.
Op 4, last stop standing.
Help me out, boys.
It's safe to swallow your toothpaste.
That's not what I need to hear right now. No! No!
Op
Let's
4
go.
eliminated. Mission successful.
Alright boys, thank you so much for watching this video if you stayed to the end. If you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
I'm sorry that I ain't do what I said I do. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm missing you, girl. I'm sorry I couldn't do what you want me to. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm with a new girl.